Hey coaches, how are you today? And recently I get bombarded with Facebook ads on quiz funnels. One of my clients asked me if she should use a quiz funnel, so I think I will just do a brief video on what quiz funnels are. So what is a quiz funnels? To me, it's no different from a traditional funnel. Instead of using like a lead magnet or a webinar to attract your audience into your funnels, now you are using quiz. And it is more like a new way and a modern way of attracting your ideal clients. And basically, quiz funnel is good for many industries. Whether you are selling physical products or you have a local business or you're selling services or digital products like info products, memberships, you can all use quiz funnels. And I found that the benefit of a quiz funnel is the engagement. If you offer an ebook, for example, people downloaded it, but they won't look at it straight away, or they might not finish your whole ebook, right? Think of how many ebooks you have downloaded. Have you read them all? For quiz funnel, however, you do a quiz and you get the results straight away. And it's easy for you to take the next step because you're still in that funnel, right? You do the quiz and you get the result. So naturally, you'll move into next step of the funnel. And remember, people don't want to be sold, and the quiz is more like a self-discovery. So people prefer to do like a short quiz. I would say a short quiz, meaning that it's less than 10 questions, because people don't want to spend time, sitting on a quiz and doing like 20, 30 questions. It's not an interview, okay? So the purpose of the quiz funnel for you as a coach, you just want to get them engaged. You want them to give you the email address. It's more like a lead magnet. So you just have to serve the purpose, and probably I would say less than 10 questions, even 5 questions, if you can serve the purpose. And how a quiz funnel works, usually 3 parts. First one is a landing page. So a landing page is for you to describe what the quiz is about and what they will find out at the end. And then go into the quiz questions. And as I said before, it doesn't have to be long. So just a few questions will do, and at the end, you still have like a lead capture form to capture their email addresses. And then you'll offer customized results based on their answers. So usually the simple is like 3 parts. And just to give you an example of like on the topics. So if you can ask like, what web hosting platform is right for you if you're offering like web hosting services? What's your number one online advertising mistake? So again, you actually give them the results based on their answers. What type of digital camera is right for you? And this is very common. So you fill out, a couple of like questions, and then you will know whether you're at the startup stage or whether you actually at scaling stage, and then you will have different sort of camera recommended to you. And what blocking you from like creating wealth, what type of property should you invest in, and what marketing strategy should you use. Basically, it's a different segmentation. So it's based on, again, the answers you've given. And one of the most famous digital marketer, so if you're in the digital marketing space, you will know Amy Porterfield. So she started the quiz funnel long time ago. I was in one of her quiz funnel before, and when she tried to sell her digital course academy to DCA. So after you finish the quiz, you will know whether you should design your course to be like a startup course, or you should have a spotlight course, or you should have like a signature course. So she will promote it from time to time. So she's not promoting it at the moment, so I can't really show you the actual quiz, but if she promoted it again, and you can actually go into funnel and have a look yourself. And then the next one will be Michael Hyatt. So he uses quiz to sell memberships to his online membership. So again, through quiz, so a lot of people are using it at the moment. So what is a good quiz funnel? So I would say you have the right hook, meaning you generate a lot of questions and curiosity. So people wants to find out, people wants to know, then it's a successful quiz funnel. And also you must have the end goal in your mind. Okay, you have to create demand for your offer. So you have to know what you want to sell at the end. You're trying to sell your end product. So you must create the demand for your offer during the quiz or after they receive the results. And how to get started, I would say brainstorm your topic. I would say you come up with a list of topics and then niche it down to 3 topics, the max, or 3 to 5. I would say 3, like the topics, and then decide on the framework, whether the result will be based on the score, how you tally, basically how you tally your quiz. Is it a score based or more like gathering people into specific groups, which is more like a type based? So you have to decide on the topic and your framework, and then at the end you come up with your big idea. So you have to combine the two, your topic and the results, how you're going to deliver your results, whether it's based on the score or it's based on the type. So this is more like an introduction of quiz funnel. If you want to have your first quiz funnel done, or if you wanted to have me working with you on the funnel, reach out to me, send me an email, branding@makemarketingyours.com, branding@makemarketingyours.com. So I hope this video actually gives you an idea of what a quiz funnel is. So thank you so much, and I will speak to you soon. Okay, bye.